Bright and cheerful primrose plants, available in a wide range of colors, will herald the arrival of spring. Enjoy them in the house and window boxes. Primroses are small plants. During flowering, leaves hardly grow. Soon after flowering finishes, they begin to make new growth. You will find hybrid primroses of every imaginable color combination like white, yellow, red, pink, and purple. This plant is easy to take care of when they are indoors during the spring and early summer. Outdoors may need frost protection during the autumn and winter. Pot in a soil-based potting mix with some sand or grit added. Water moderately during spring flowering. Water once or twice a week that they never dry out completely. Outdoors in summer, water generously keeps permanently moist. Use liquid fertilizer every fortnight during the flowering season. Primroses want a sunny but not too warm position to maintain blooming as long as possible. If indoors, keep them at around 15 to 17 centigrade, 60 to 64 Fahrenheit. The cooler they are, the longer they will bloom. These flowering plants are usually available from November to April. It is a short-term gift plant. If it is frost hardy, you can plant it in the garden after flowering. It may bloom next year. This plant is ideal for north-facing windows in hallways or bedrooms. Use colored baskets, china pot holders, or any type of container to suit the primrose. Make 2 or 3 groups together in a deep basket and conceal their pots with a moss blanket.
Thanks for watching.